Hi, it's Christian Kennedy here with you. I have just discovered air conditioner condenser unit, and there it is right there. There's a side of it. I'm about to give her a test run right now, and there is the blades to it. Quiet, operational, energy efficient. There's the fan blades for it. I'm gonna turn it on and test it out and see how she runs. So there's the thermostat right now. We are set at cool on 80 Fahrenheit automatic, and the room temperature in here right now is at 71 Fahrenheit or 21.5 Celsius. I'm going to turn the thing down to 68 Fahrenheit. So we're set on at, let's see, I can't even see it. $80. 79. Remember, when it's set at 71 on Fahrenheit scale, you gotta go down by 2 degrees. So once they hit 69, it should come on. Oh, it's cooling now. Cool on, it says. And how low does this thermostat go to? Let's just find out. Oh. Now 55, that's really cold, man. That's chilly. So it goes as low as 10 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit. We're set cool on 50 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna set it at about 68. That's where room temperature is. Cool on 68 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna actually set it at 70. Set it at 68. Let's go out and take a look at the Christian Kennedy, the maintenance guy. Right, it's on right now. Nice breeze off it. And what's today's date? It's Monday, September 14th, 2015. At about 10 o'clock in the morning right now. thermostat right now. And now it's blowing cold air. Oh, it's nice and cold. Nice and cold. Cold air. So let that cool on 80. 71 in here right now. Making my morning coffee. And the air conditioner unit is off right now. And the air conditioner's off. Getting a little bit carried away right now. Getting a little carried away. And it's off. You can tell I'm up to something. I always obsessed with air conditioner and heat units.